So here's an update.
Well, we're in a bit of shit here, ladies and gentlemen. Now we've got to go and retrieve something that's now Al's flown something into a tree.
Allegedly.
Yeah, allegedly bullshit.
We're down a drone.
Yeah, we're down a drone, but stay tuned.
But spirits are high.
Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen.
So you might be asking us, what are we doing? Paul, you want to give us an update? Trying to find a kangaroo, and all we found was a South African skier.
That's just so lazy, you know that. Well, it's so lazy,
Guys, you want to explain what happened there?
Look, it was a very long lunch from the balcony. Al was showing us how brilliant he is at flying drones. But we were thinking he's an exceptional pilot until he decided to floss, but I'm talking straight into the tree. But we were thinking he's an exceptional pilot until he decided to floss, but I'm talking straight into the tree. Like
Which tree?
Right up here.
That tree.
That tree, and then Al just climbed up to get it out. And I'd like to say two things.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
I'd still like to see him fly the drone properly. Number two is great rescue. Well done, Maverick.
I got the telescopic pole.
You know what?
Only not to be required.
I believe they say, the old saying is, it takes a village to rescue a drone. Good morning from Kangaroo Valley. Here's where the drone almost lived for the rest of its life, but managed to climb that tree and shake it down, and we're back with a drone, reunited, because it feels so good.